Mr. Bennett81 here with a review on two polybags here. Star Wars Naboo Starfighter 30383 and Lego Cities Space Satellite 30365. Both looking like some cool builds, which I have put together the Naboo Starfighter, but I figured for this review, the Starfighter and the Satellite would make for a cool combination review, or combo review. Now let's take them out of the bags and start building. Both bags are put together, and I think I'll start with the Naboo Starfighter, which looks like the one right out of the movie. Small form, fits the description of it pretty good, and as you can see, it looks like an R2 unit hooked in right behind the cockpit area. Seems like this little build is ready for flying around the planet side or flying off into space. Do like how they came up with, the pieces used to make it, which does look like the Starfighter. As for the Lego City Space Satellite, comes with one minifig, which looks pretty cool, with the space pack here, which I think's been used a number of times in past builds. Still looks pretty cool, especially with the golden looking mask piece covering the top. One light part here for seeing what you're doing. Back part of it. As for the face print, you only have the one facial print here. Dude looks like he's happy to be out in space, as well as a cool print on the front and leg area of a spacesuit. There's also print on the back here. As for the satellite itself, looks pretty cool as well with what pieces were used. Does look like a possible functional satellite dish or satellite. Got a control or keypad here, some solar mirrors, which is a 1x4 panel piece with images already printed on it for solar mirrors. And the pieces are on hinges here. So Something for the spaceman to work on out in space, making sure it's sending the information or retrieving. Both are pretty cool builds, and can definitely have some fun thinking up some adventures for the Naboo Starfighter, or for the astronaut working on the satellite. For combination of the two being together or by themselves. One fun adventure to be on. Now, there is one thing that, while working on the builds here, that popped into mind, and both, well, I don't know if going with the bags here is easier to produce, to put the builds in, but with something that came out a few years back that Lego did for some smaller micro builds for Star Wars, the Star Wars planets cases. With these here, you could definitely have some fun using these for a number of the polybags. Now the pieces for the Naboo Starfighter as well as satellite can definitely fit within the planet case. And with Lego City doing the Mars thing with some of the sets, they could have some fun reusing the planet case for say repaint it for Mars or Earth for Lego City. You could definitely have some fun with that, or some possible new worlds to set up with the looks for the planets for some of the Star Wars polybags. Just a crazy thought on my end. Tossing in 2 cents there, as it were. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Till next time, have a good one.